Hey guys, it's Technomentary with a video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn location services on your iPhone on the latest iOS version. So let's get started. So location services required for a lot of apps like your Maps app, if you're trying to share your location or using your location for searching on the web. So you want to ensure that location service is turned on. In order to do that, simply go into your setting of your iPhone. And once you go into your setting of your iPhone, you're going to scroll down until you find here privacy and security. And once you click on privacy and security, at the very top here it's going to say location services. You'll click on that, and to turn it on, simply toggle that switch to green and location services is turned on. Now with the iPhone, a lot of the location services for apps are controlled individually as well, so you need to review which apps you want to give your location services for. For example, if you want to give location services for the Maps app here, right, you want to click on it, and then you can either give it when you open it up next time or using the app so that they can use the location while you're using the app, or any apps and widgets. Usually these are the options that you want to select, or even this one. But if you have never, that means although your location service is turned on, the apps will not be able to use location services. So make sure that location service is on, and you want to review all the other apps as well here that you have individually to make sure that they are able to use location services when you're using them. And again, another app is like weather. For example, if you want that to use it, just simply turn that on so that it can also use your location to give you the accurate weather for your area or your location. And that's how you turn on location services on your iPhone. I hope this video was helpful. If so, please make sure to like and subscribe button. Thanks for watching, guys. See you guys next time.